All right, let's talk about three of the biggest buzzwords flying around right now: AI, machine learning, and data science. You hear them all the time, right? And they often get used interchangeably, like they're all the same thing, but they're not. So today, we're going to finally cut through the noise and clear that fog. So that's the big question, isn't it? What is the real difference? If you've ever found yourself nodding along but secretly wondering how these all fit together, hey, you are in good company. It's probably one of the most common questions out there, and we're going to break it down nice and simple. You know what? Let's just start with the answer right up front. If you only take one thing away from this whole explainer, let it be this right here. Think of it like this. AI is the grand goal. Machine learning is a specific, powerful way to get to that goal. And data science? Well, that's the whole practice of finding real-world value in data, and it might or might not use machine learning to do it. Okay, let's unpack that, starting with the biggest concept of all. First up, artificial intelligence, or AI. The best way to picture AI is as this huge, big umbrella that pretty much covers everything else we're talking about. It's the oldest and the broadest of these fields, and its aim is, well, incredibly ambitious, to create machines that are truly intelligent. So what does that actually mean? At its core, AI is really the science of making machines smart. The ultimate dream is to build systems that can do things that, until now, have required human intelligence. We're talking about the whole shebang: reasoning, planning, seeing the world, and making complex decisions. And this really shows you just how massive the scope of AI is. It's not about just one thing. It's about trying to copy how we think. It's about automating tricky decisions. And it's about figuring things out even when you don't have all the answers. Reasoning under uncertainty. It's all about logic, planning, the list goes on. And the crazy part is, you are already using AI literally every single day. When you ask ChatGPT a question, that's AI. When you see a self-driving car navigating a complex street, that's AI. And when you ask Siri or Alexa to set a timer, yep, that's AI in action, making decisions and acting in the real world. So here's the first really crucial thing to lock in. Machine learning is not some separate thing from AI. It is a part of AI. In fact, it's one of the most powerful tools we have today for actually achieving the goals of AI. Which leads us to our next piece of the puzzle. So if AI is the big destination, you can think of machine learning, or ML, as the high-powered engine that's getting us there. Its approach is totally different from the way old-school AI used to work. It's not about following a bunch of pre-programmed rules. It's all about learning directly from data. And this is the absolute key to understanding ML. See, with traditional programming, a person has to write out every single step, every single rule for the computer. With machine learning, you do the opposite. You just feed the system a ton of data and let it figure out the patterns and the rules for itself. It actually learns and gets better all on its own. So when you're working in ML, success really boils down to two things. First, can your model find patterns and make accurate predictions? And second, and this is the really important part, can it generalize? In other words, can it take what it learned from all that training data and apply it correctly to new information it has never, ever seen before? That's the real test. And just like AI, ML is hiding in plain sight. That spam filter in your email? That's an ML model that learned what junk mail looks like by seeing millions of examples. The recommendations on your favorite streaming site? That's an ML algorithm that has learned your taste in movies. It's the secret sauce behind so many things we use every day. So, to put a bow on it, while you can have AI without ML, the truth is, most of the incredible AI breakthroughs you hear about today are being powered by machine learning. It's the engine driving modern AI. So, where the heck does data science fit into all this? Okay, this brings us to data science. And here, the whole perspective shifts. We're not just trying to build intelligent machines anymore, we're trying to find business value. You can think of a data scientist as a kind of detective, and machine learning? That's just one of the tools in their detective kit. So the main goal of data science isn't to create a thinking machine. The goal is to answer questions and help a business make better decisions. It's the entire process of taking raw, messy data and turning it into a clean, actionable insight that a real person can actually use. And it's so important to realize that data science is way more than just building ML models. A huge chunk of the job is just cleaning up data, running statistical analyses, making charts and graphs, and maybe most importantly, communicating what they've found to the people who actually need to make the decisions. Now, this right here, this is probably the single biggest point of confusion that we need to clear up. A data scientist can provide a ton of value just by using good old-fashioned statistics and creating a killer report. They might use ML to build a predictive model, sure, but it is not a requirement. Sometimes a simple analysis is all you need. Okay, so we've looked at all three of these big ideas on their own. Now let's bring them all together and put them side by side to make the relationships perfectly clear. This table really lays it all out. Just look at the scope. Data science is all about business insights. ML is about learning from data. And AI is about the big goal of intelligent machines. Now, check out that uses ML row. That's the clincher. Data science only uses it sometimes. For ML, well, it's the entire point. And you can see the outputs are different too. Data science gives you reports and insights. ML gives you a trained model. And AI gives you a whole intelligent system. Here's one more way to picture it. Imagine a set of Russian nesting dolls. AI is the biggest doll, the outermost circle. You open it up, and inside you find machine learning. It's a major part of AI. And if you go even deeper, inside ML, you'll find things like deep learning, which is a very specific technique. It's a nested relationship. So where does data science fit in this picture? Well, it's not another nesting doll. It's more like a field that heavily overlaps with both AI and machine learning, because data scientists use those tools all the time. But, and this is key, it also has parts that stand completely on their own, like business analytics or statistical testing. It's a related field, but it's also distinct.